Hello, this is Lanny at Spend-A-Day. Hey, I wanted to show you today how to reset the Suzuki oil change reminder on all Suzuki outboard engines. It's going to happen on a Saturday afternoon when you are boating with the family, and that alarm is going to go crazy and scream at you, and you're going to call me and wonder how to turn this thing off and what they need to do. This is our systems check gauge through Suzuki. When you do reach your first 20 hours, this low oil light will light up and will beep at you until you actually do the reset. The reset is very simple, guys and gals. It is turning the key on the on position, okay? Pulling the kill switch off, and pulling that red button where the kill switch is attached out 3 times within 10 seconds. You get a long beep and that will reset. So like I said, it's really simple on how to reset to Suzuki oil change reminder. But go out and enjoy your day after you reset that. Have fun with the family, and remember to call us on Monday after the weekend and get your oil change taken care of through our service department. And just so you know that oil change reminder is going to go off at every 100 hours after that. So make sure you take care of it then. If you have any questions, reach out to me. This is Lanny again with Spend-A-Day Marina, and I'll be glad to help you. Thank you.